Well, my name is Brent Merrell. I'm the Director of Engineering Services for Biltmore. And my role here with this project is to oversee the installation along with the preservation team. This project has been approximately a 4 to 5 year long project with the final goal being to restore it to Richard Morse Hunt's original design intent of the courtyard. Richard Morse Hunt designed it as an area for horse and carriage. Today we use it as a seating area for our guests as they visit the shops and the restaurants here, just an area for them to sit and relax and take in all of Biltmore. About 5 or 6 years ago, we realized that we had a lot of damaged and worn brick from 125 years worth of traffic in the center of the courtyard, whether it be horse and carriage or just vehicles and just the daily traffic of guests traveling to and from the carriage house. So we had a lot of worn brick. We decided that we would initially just do some small patchwork in the middle of the courtyard. And then as we got into it, we realized that this is much bigger than just patchwork. And so we determined that we should do basically the center of the courtyard, approximately 100 feet long by 17 feet wide area. So we have a preservation team that was involved with this project from the start. And that team consists of museum services, conservation, facility services, and marketing. And that team meets on a monthly basis to not only discuss this project, but preservation projects across the estate. Biltmore is a National Historic Landmark, and part of our mission here at Biltmore is ensuring that we preserve Biltmore as that National Historic Landmark. And so in doing that, that's why we take the extra steps to ensure that these brick match the original. They're made and manufactured to match the original brick. As with preservation, you can't just run down to the local brickyard and pick up some bricks to replace these with. And so part of the process was just to get some of the original brick and just get those matched. We partnered with Stone Art out of Churchill, Tennessee to produce these bricks very similar to the way they would have been produced 125 years ago. And they did a great job with matching our bricks. And this is one of the original bricks, and you can see one of the reasons we wanted to do this project was they were just deteriorating, wear and tear over 125 years. And as you look at this brick, you can see that it's not perfect by any means. It's got some flaws in it. It's got some beveled edges. And so that was one of the most important things, that reproducing them to ensure that we got some of those flaws, and they're not all square. Some of them have some curves and turns to them. And so as you can see, these are new bricks, and you see there's flaws in them. And the color too, we made sure that we matched the sheen as well as the color. So there's some of the color variations between the bricks. This is kind of one of our lighter red bricks, and this is one of our darker purple black bricks. Yeah, so this is a large scale project with a lot of importance, not only to make sure that we get the preservation piece right so that we get it back to the original design intent of Richard Morse Hunt, but also the scale of work impacts the courtyard and our guests as they come and go from the courtyard. So just know that you're a part of this preservation. We say thank you for helping us with our mission of preservation.